Ho, ho, my lovelies! Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Yes, boys and girls, ho, ho, ho it is! Christmas is coming. Last Sunday we celebrated the end of the church calendar by drawing these lines like that. We created this drawing to celebrate the feast of Christ the King. So boys and girls, let me take this opportunity to wish you all a happy Advent season, and I implore all mummies and daddies out there to celebrate Advent with your children. The joy of Advent is very important, and it helps us to prepare for the coming of Jesus. And so by celebrating with an Advent wreath and counting down the days as we prepare for Christmas. So boys and girls, get out your materials, your drawing materials, and let's get started. And so boys and girls, the first thing I want you all to draw is a line to get your wrist supple from one side to the next. Well done, boys and girls. And then I want you to draw 4 rectangles like that. 2, 3, and 4. Good job. The next thing I want you to draw is this shape. Take your time. It's like a pear drop or a teardrop. All right. So it goes like that. That's actually an indication of the flames that we have on our candles. Good job, boys and girls. We're moving on. I'd like you to draw some X's like that. Just like what we did last week. We did many X's like that. So we're going to do that again. We're going to use those same lines to create an Advent wreath. And boys and girls, next we're going to draw that zigzag going like that. Let's do it again to get your hands supple in all different directions like that. Well done, boys and girls. So let's get a nice clean page, turn to a nice clean page in our drawing books, and we're going to turn it this way up. And let's get started, boys and girls. So the first thing I'd like you to draw is the rectangles. We want you to draw 4 rectangles. So let's just do it here. 1, 2, 3, and one more rectangle to make the 4, because it's 4 weeks leading up to Christmas, boys and girls. Why candles? Well, lighting candles, boys and girls, banishes darkness. Jesus is the light of the world, and so that reminds us when we light our candles that Jesus is the light of the world, and he brings light. He shines light in our lives, in our family, in our church. So boys and girls, let's just draw a line going up like this. That's first to do that's the wick of each of the candles. And then after that, we're going to draw that teardrop shape like that. We're going to do another one, a mini one inside of it. Let's do it again. Teardrop and a mini one inside. 2 more, boys and girls. Last time. That indicates the flames of our candle. And boys and girls, this is the candles that we light during Advent. So there's 4 weeks. So the first 4 weeks in Advent. The first week we light a purple candle, and the purple candle is for hope, the prophecy candle. The second week is love, faith, it's the Bethlehem candle. And the third candle is the rose candle, or pink in color, and that's the shepherd's candle. And that's where we are rejoicing. We cannot wait for Christmas, because that's the birth of Jesus and we're going to see Jesus. And we have the fourth week, which is peace, and that's peace on earth, when all the angels came down from heaven rejoicing the birth of Jesus. And that candle is in purple. So purple, purple, pink, purple. So we have 3 purple candles and 1 pink. And boys and girls, let's not forget the wreath, because we're drawing an Advent wreath. So what I want you all to do is that X again. Let's get those X's. As they're going closer, we're going to draw them big, and further away we draw them small. And then remember that zigzag that going all over the place, because the wreath is usually made out of evergreen, which means that it is always green. That's a tree that never turns yellow. You know, there's some trees that you may have in your garden and the leaves fall out and they turn yellow or orange. Well, the beauty of this evergreen tree, it's always green, and it signifies Jesus as God, as the eternal God who has no beginning and no end. So that is what we should remember, the green of the Advent wreath. And there you have it, boys and girls, your beautiful Advent wreath. And don't forget, purple, purple, pink, purple. And I explained to you what they signify. And just to say thank you for all my subscribers. This is a certificate for all those who I feature your artwork in my YouTube channel. So I'm asking you, parents out there, if you're to qualify, you have to send a picture of your son or daughter's drawing from any of the past videos that we have, so that I can feature it and talk about it in my next video, and you will be getting a certificate to verify that. So boys and girls, have a happy Advent season, and let's keep on drawing, boys and girls. Bye.